Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rajan. I am a HR YouTuber. I am currently working in a mid-level of IT company as a technical recruiter. In YouTube, I make videos regarding for the HR insight, corporate vacancies, and HR tips. In today's videos, again regarding for the few new vacancies and few HR insight I would like to share with you. So stay tuned and watch the full video so I can share you the entire details with you. So let's start with the company detail first. The company name is Three Pillar Global. Three Pillar Global is an IT service providing company. Headquarters located in US Virginia. In India, headquarters located in Noida. Total headcount is 2,800 plus, and our 90% of employees are working from home and 10% are working from on-site location. Vacancies that we are having. The first one is senior data engineer. Second one is senior DevOps engineer, and third one is Python automation tester. We have another opening which is for fresher. This is not with the Three Pillar Global company. This is for one of my friends company. He has requested me to mention about the position in this video so we can get the quality profiles. I have given all the job description link in the description box, so please have a look, go through it. You can directly apply from there, or else you can just do a comment, so we can reach out. Our team will reach out to you and will process your profile. Okay, and still I'm giving you a few bullet points about the role and responsibility, what exactly we are looking for. Let's start with the first requirement, senior data engineer. You can see the entire job description in the screen, but still I'm giving you a few bullet points what exactly we are looking for. The experience level, we are looking for 5+ years. Candidate should have good experience into Snowflake, hands-on experience required in Python, good experience into Linux and Bash scripting, hands-on experience into AWS cloud, and good knowledge into CI/CD pipeline. This role is 100% remote, so anywhere from India candidates are fine. But the client has clearly mentioned we need a candidate who has strong knowledge into Snowflake skill. Now let's talk about the second vacancy that we are having, which is senior DevOps engineer. Entire job description you can see in the screen. Still, I am giving you a few bullet points what exactly we are looking for. The experience level, we are looking for 7+ years, and candidates should have strong experience into on-premise side, good knowledge into Linux networking and virtualization tool, proficiency in Ansible, plus should have good experience into Jenkins files. This opening is also 100% remote, so anywhere from India candidates are fine, but we need a candidate who has a strong knowledge into on-premises side. And about the budget, it is as per the market standard. So if you want to know more about the budget, please do a comment or just WhatsApp me, so we can discuss over there, because about the CTC part we cannot discuss in video. Third vacancy that we are having, entire job description you can see in the screen. Still I'm giving you a few bullet points. We're looking for a Python automation tester. The experience level, we're looking for 6+ years. Candidate should have strong knowledge into Python automation, hands-on experience into Linux or Unix command, solid understanding of networking concept like TCP or IT protocols, experience in REST API testing tools like Postman, Swagger, or custom Python script, experience in backend testing including database or server side, familiar with test framework like PyTest, Unit Test, or Selenium is fine, and experience in version control like Git. This opening is also 100% remote, so anywhere from India candidates are fine. And about the budget, please WhatsApp me so we can discuss. I just wanted to mention one more thing. For all these three openings, we are looking for a short notice candidate. Whoever has a notice period of more than 30 days, please request you to do not apply, because we cannot process further for this role. Okay, so it's a humble request to you. Last but not in the list, so I'm going to talk about another vacancy which is for fresher. The opening is with the company name is Clover Infotech. Let me give you the brief detail about the company. The company Clover Infotech is a leading IT service providing company, and it is established on 1994, and the headquarters is in Mumbai. So they have offices in Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore location. Their total headcount is 5,000 plus. If you talk about the opening, so they are looking for a IT graduates, junior software developer or IT trainee. Okay, the eligibility criteria, they're looking for a bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, or electronics. Anything is fine. Uh, Basic understanding of programming language should be there. Three programming language: Python, Java, or C++. Anything is fine. Candidate should familiar with the database concept of basic of SQL or Oracle is also fine. Should have knowledge about software development life cycle. I have given the job link in the description box, so you can directly apply from there. Okay, the interview process would be face to face. So once your CV got shortlisted, then you have to attend the interview face to face only. Another thing, just wanted to update before applying for the any job, or please see the job description properly and accordingly apply for the role. Because in recent cases, I have faced like I am looking for a 5 years of DevOps role, and but candidates who has 3 years of experience, 2 years of experience, they apply for this role, so it wastes their time plus our time also. Okay, so request you to please see the job description properly and apply for the role. Now let's come to the today's main point, which is HR insight. Actually, one of my subscriber has requested to share some company names or company details which are really providing remote opportunities. Okay, in today's video I'll share you few company names, and plus I will show you how you can apply for the role also from website. So stay tuned and please be there. The first company name is Turing. Turing is one of the IT company which promotes work from home culture. Okay, you can share, you can see the LinkedIn page in the screen, but still I'm sharing you few details what is the company is about. Turing is a IT service providing company. Its head office located in Palo Alto, California. It was started in 2021. Turing works mainly for AIML requirement. The company helps business use AI in their works and also works in advanced AI technology called AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. In simply what they do, they develop AI related software for their clients, and their clients are like Amazon, Google, and Nvidia. Turing also offer platform to connect skilled developer with the top global companies. Their main focus on advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. They help companies to use AI to work better and get things done faster. I will share my screen and I will show you how you can apply in this company. I hope my screen is visible. Okay, so how you can apply for this company Turing? So first you have to visit to the official website, which is turing.com. Then directly come to the this resource column. There are few columns are there, but just click on it and directly go to the Turing careers. Okay, then scroll down and you are able to see all the job vacancies which are available, not only in India, all over the world. Okay, so you can see this is AI application architect, which is for United States, but this is remote. And this one is chief of staff, CEO. They're looking for Palo Alto office. This is not a remote position. They're looking for particularly a candidate who can visit the office thrice in a week. Okay, and you can see there's another opening which is for India. Suppose if I am looking for a vacancy particular for India location, then I'll click here and select remote India. So you now we all can see all the vacancies which are available for India location: delivery manager, financial analyst. This is GNAI engineering, ML ops engineer. Okay, program manager. Okay, and few openings you are able to see. They're looking for from Bangalore location, because in Bangalore they have a office. Okay, and how you can apply for this role? Suppose I'm click on this financial analyst and apply now. Then I have to mention first name, last name, email ID, phone number. Resume is mandatory. Cover letter is not mandatory. And LinkedIn profile. If you can mention the LinkedIn profile, it would be great, because all the recruiters they check the LinkedIn profile of the candidates. Okay. Personally, if you ask me, Turing is one of the best company. Even I have tried once for this company but got rejected. But uh, AI, ML wise or other technology wise, Turing is one of the best company. What I can say. Okay. The next company name is Trigen Technologies. So you can see the details in the screen. Still, I will share a few details about the company. Trigen is a IT service providing company based out in Mumbai. Established in 1986, Trigen provide a wide range of technology solution to the clients across the various sectors, including government, BFSI, media entertainment. And what they do, they build custom software applications. They offer cloud services, big data services. Trigen support business using new technologies, and they also provide IT professional and expert advice to the different project. Okay, I have mentioned the company link in the description box. You can just have a look, and plus for this company also I will show how you can apply in this organization. Okay, so how you can apply for this company? So you need to visit the first official website, Trigen Technologies or trigen.com. Then directly come to the career section and click on career opportunities. Okay, now scroll down and you are able to see all the job vacancies which are available in this company. See, business analyst for Delhi location, model developer for remote position, mobile developer remote, full stack developer, this is also remote, analytics engineer remote, and few job openings are there which is for on-site, like technical lead, tech manager, technical architect. So these are the on-site opportunity, Hyderabad, Delhi location. Okay. In this website, one other features is there, like if you want to like suppose you are working to React.js developer and you want to directly go to that particular requirement, so you can just put the keyword here, React, and search. Okay, then it comes React.js developer. And how you can apply? Just click here, apply button, and same thing, first name, last name, email ID, and your contact number, and your comments if you want to add any comments, and CV is required. Okay. So one of my friend is working there, and she's also working as a remote only. Okay. And she said like there is an option, if somebody is not ready for on-site opportunity, they can request for remote opening. So 90% of requirement they are fine with the remote job. Okay. The last company name is Intellect Technologies. The Intellect Technologies is a Coimbatore-based organization. Okay, entire details you can see in the screen. And let me give you a brief detail about the company. The Intellect Technologies is also an IT service providing company, founded 2010. The company is headquarters located in Denver, Colorado, USA, with additional office in Coimbatore. Plus, they have offices in Johannesburg, South Africa. And Intellect has a subsidiary company name is DQ Labs, which is a product-based organization. If we talk about what they do, they build software related to data services, AI services, digital services, and enterprise application. Data services mean organization secure the data, unlock valuable insight. AI means develop AI solutions, and digital services mean provide cloud computing, DevOps kind of thing. And enterprise application build modern web and mobile application, use user-centric design. Okay, so for this company also, like I will share how you can apply through the website. Same thing, again we have to follow for this company also. Go to the company website intellex.com, then directly come to the company section and click on career page. Okay, once it get open, you scroll down and click on explore jobs, and you are able to see all the job vacancies which are available. Okay, WFO means means work from home, work from office, and WFH means work from home. So there, like 50% of requirement are work from home and 50% of work from office. Okay, you can directly share your resume on this email ID. So directly go to the whoever the recruiter who is hiring for this role, or else you can do this. Just click here for more details and scroll below, and you can apply directly from here. Same thing you have to follow: first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and submit. Okay. One of my friend is working on this company. Okay, so she's also working same remote only. So she said like if any candidate got selected for work from home role, there is a catch that candidate has to visit first week in Coimbatore location. Okay, he or she has to take all the KT from the candidate, and then they can start the work from home role. If you want to like work remotely, so apply any of three companies. Definitely the recruiter will reach out to you. If you're a good candidate, definitely you will get selected. The reason I have mentioned these three company names is because my friends are working there. Company wise, culture wise, environment wise, these companies are good. Even pay cycle is also good. So if anyone is looking for a long term period in remote culture, so please do apply any of three companies. Lastly, just want to say, if you like my content, my videos, please do subscribe and like. I will make more videos like job vacancies, and please, the next video I'm going to make about the CV formatting. Okay, so please stay tuned, and till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.